Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. My name is Samuel Okpeola, the creator of Qora Digital Cash. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some free tips there. Make sure you practice well on demo before going live with any one of them. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question about any of my videos, or you want to know more about my trading strategy, or probably you want to know more about any of my trading tools or indicators, feel free to contact me. Here are my contact details. Kindly send message to me directly. My WhatsApp is more active than my email, so you can quickly reach me through my WhatsApp. But if you don't have a WhatsApp, you can also send message to my email. I will reply you as soon as possible too. Okay, if you also want to benefit from my freebies, probably my free indicators or my free training strategies, or you want to learn directly from me, you can also join my Telegram channel. So the link to my Telegram channel is the one below the email. You will find all this in the description box below this video. Okay, good. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, yesterday I did a video on how you can identify your breakout action and how you can milk the market successfully with it. Okay, today we'll be looking at a part 2 of that, which is going to give you more explanation on how you can identify this and even utilize it to trade for a very long time. So that is what we will be looking at today. So that is why I tagged today's videos, the title of today's video, how to make money trading the breakout actions part 2. Okay, so that is that about that. So we will be heading directly to the trading platform now. But before going into today's training, we will quickly see what is happening in the market so that we can this will help those that are waiting for my analysis before they can trade today, so that they can put it into full use before going, so that they will understand what is happening in the market before going into the market today. Okay, presently, for those, okay, I will be using the crusher indicator to do my analysis. For those that are having the crusher indicator, I believe you will understand what I'm saying at the moment. For if you are not having whatever tools you are using, I believe the analysis will still help you to be able to carry out a reasonable trade. Even if you are using a mobile setup, I believe you will still be able to trade with it. All you just need to do is just to follow the rules and regulation guiding the tools you are using. Okay, this is my crusher indicator. For those that are having the crusher indicator, I believe they know where to come in here. So they should come in here, exit the market here, because this is a support level. So I expect them to exit the market before they get to the support level. Already this is giving them 9 minutes candle, so this is good enough. So if you are, let's say you are using 5.0, this will give you roughly $20, yeah, about $20 or thereabouts. So this is amazing. So that is that about that. So you wait for it to break that support level or for a spike to happen before you come in again. And before you come in, you do your analysis again. You can see it is still within the red region, and the share trend is also confirming it that it is still in downtrend. You can see that the color is still in magenta color, which is the color for downtrend. So you can be in the market till the next support level. So I expect you to exit the market here, and of course the arrow will have come out somewhere here. So once you see the exit arrow, like I used to tell you, if you are using the crusher indicator, you either exit the market once you see the exit arrow, or you exit the market at the next support level. This time around the exit arrow came out, so you can exit the market once you see the exit arrow. This is giving you 25 minutes candle again. So on a single assets, you've been able to gather 25 plus 9 minutes candles. That is about 34 minutes candles. So this is amazing. So being in the market for 34 minutes is amazing. So if you are still in the market, you can see that the exit arrow is out already. So you can see the head of the white arrow. So I believe you should exit the market as soon as possible. You should exit the market immediately. But before we add that, before we have this downsell, we've been on uptrend for a while. You can see this level is the uptrend. So for those that love trading spikes, so this is where you should trade your spike, but do not trade do not sell during this region. You can see it is within the green region. So that is how you can do that. So this market is favoring both the seller and the buyer. The reason is, for the buyer, you only need to wait for it to come to the major support level. You can see at each of the major support level, it keeps going back up. This is another major support level, and it keeps going back up. So you set your pending order around the major support level so that you can benefit from it. It is obeying the support level, so definitely you will benefit from it. And once it gets to a major resistance level, you can see it coming down. So that is what is happening here. So that is that about that. So let's go to boom 500. Okay, boom 500. Okay, presently boom 500 is favoring those that love trading spikes. So if you are the type that love selling boom, stay away from the market. You can see the region is green. This is what you use to confirm your trade. The indicator window here is what you use to confirm your trade. You get your signal from the main chart. For those that are using the crusher indicator, you get your signal from the main chart, but you confirm it here. So the indicator window is giving you green, and even the bar here, the dashboard here, are showing blues, which means the market is in uptrend. So this market is favoring those that trade spikes. So if you are the type that loves trading spike, then this is when you should profit from. If you are the type that trade both, then you know what to do. Right now is not the time for you to sell. It is the time for you to trade the spikes. So that is that about that. But if it breaks this support, you see it's coming down a bit. If it is unable to break this support, it is going to spike up again. So that is that about that. Just a little tip around here. Let's go to crash 1000. Okay, we are through with the boom. So right now we are with crash. Right now we just had a crash, which is a very long one. You can see it just happened about few seconds ago after this long uptrend. After this uptrend, not very long, but at least it gives some let me see, this is 20 minutes, even roughly 21 minutes, but let's say 20 minutes, because I expect you to get out somewhere here before the spike, before the crash will happen. So this is amazing. So that is how you can use your crusher indicator to pick a sweet trade. That is why you can use your crusher indicator to pick some good trade. Okay, this is also another opportunity. You come in here, and I expect you to exit the market here, somewhere here. So that will give you 17 minutes. You can see that for those that are having the crusher indicator, you've had enough opportunity for you to buy crash in the morning. You can see the long uptrend showing you that is where you can buy, but presently it is crashing, which is favoring those that are selling crash. Okay, for crash 500, I think the same thing is happening here. Yeah, I said it. The same thing is happening here. It is crashing at the moment, so which is favoring those that are selling crash. You can see that once it is getting to the PZ line, it is crashing, because the PZ line is now standing. It is the trend line, and it is now serving as the support resistance level. It is marking out the resistance level. The same thing is is what the share trend will also do. You can see that once the price action is getting to share trend, it is spiking, but especially when the market is going on uptrend. So the same thing, they perform the same function. So if you're unable to get the PZ, because some of you will tell me that I can't get the PZ, if you're unable to get the PZ, you can go for the share trend. If you need the share trend, kindly go to my Telegram channel and download it there. I have it there. It is one of the free trading tools I put there, so you can download from there. So that is that about that. So let's go back into today's training. So today's training, we are looking at how to trade boom and crash, and milk the market successfully using the breakout action. And this is the part 2, and probably I will still do a few training on it so that you will get to know how you can do that successfully. Okay, this time around, yesterday we used lower time frame, we used 5 minutes, but this time around we are using day 1, and also probably we can go down a bit so that we will understand how to go about this. Okay, for day 1, the signal is usually scarce for day 1, but this is it. I just want you to understand something. Once you have the breakout action, then you will, once you are able to confirm the breakout, then you will be able to trade successfully using this day 1. You will know the trend of the market. You will be able to say this is what the market is going to give us today. Even if you're having a low capital, or if you're having a small capital, you can boastfully say that, okay, presently the price action just broke, and this is what is going to happen. Even in lower time frame, you can easily predict what will happen in lower time frame. So this is what I want you to look out for. You can see this line, the blue and yellow line that is rolling around, is a line that shows the current trend on the current chart. It shows the current trend of the market on the current chart, and if it is blue, it is on uptrend. If it is yellow, it is on downtrend, and it also serves as support and resistance. It helps us to mark out some support and resistance, and once the price action crosses it, then that means there is a breakout action. For instance, let me quickly show you this. You can see that the price action crossed it here, and what happened, you can see the candle dropping. You can see it dropping. It dropped. Not that it is not going up at all. You can see it dropped to this level, went up, came down, went up, came down, but since it is yet to cross this line back, then it is still within the region for dropping. You can see it dropped to this level. So that is that, and you can see this time around, after getting to a major support level, it crossed it back and it went up. And once it crosses on that single candle, you can easily trade and exit the market. So this is day candle, which means a single candle gives you a day report, gives you a day result. So that is that. You can see after crossing it, this is breakout action. Once there is a breakout, you expect the price action to go in that way for some time, to go in that way for some time. So you can see it's going up. It crossed it here. You can see it going up, but check out here, it crossed it again downwards, and you can see it going down. So this can be for days. If you should calculate the candles, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is 10 days, more than 10 days before going back up again. You can see that. So that is breakout action. But if you are having a small capital, you might not be able to use your daily time frame. So this is what I want you to look at. Okay, once a price action, let me show you how I usually put this into action. Let's say I want to sell. Okay, let's say after checking my daily time frame, I notice that it has crossed it, and this candle is giving me, it has crossed it downward. you can see it has crossed it downward. This candle is giving me a bearish candle, not a bullish candle like this. You can see this place is below the, it is below this line, but we are having a bullish candle here. Let's say it is below this line, which is a breakout action, and I'm having a bearish candle here. What do? All I just need to do is just to sell. I'm going to sell within this candle. There will be spike in between, but I'll have more of sell than there will be as in the market will go up in between, but I will have more of sell than uptrend. I will be having more of downtrend than uptrend. So you can see that is why we have full red. So the same thing is applicable to once it is breaking up. Remember, this is crash 1000. It's breaks the line here. It breaks the price action breaks it here, and this candle is green. So what do? I have to trade in green. That is, I have to buy into the market. So that is how you can use it. So we can also go to, okay, let me go to 1 hour time frame so that you get to see this, because in 1 hour time frame, for every 1 hour you can easily say what the market is using the 1 hour time frame. So presently you can see, okay, presently, let me talk on the present. You can see that it tried to get to the region here. Okay, it got broken here. This is the breakout action, and you can see it going up, although it came down a bit, but it is still going up. But presently you can see this is the present hour that we are in. You can see that it is giving us a bearish candle, so which means you don't buy within this region, you sell within this region, because it is giving us a bearish candle. So if it is giving us a bullish candle, if it's showing us a sign for a bullish candle, then you follow with the bullish candle, despite the fact that it has been broken already upward, but it has been broken for a very long time. Check out here, this is where it broke out from. It has been broken for a very long time. Let's say it is just breaking out, then you should know that that breakout action is going to give you a bullish candle, and it is going to be a bullish candle for a while before trying to reverse a bit. So the same thing is what happened there. You can see it broke out here, and you can see that it finished it with bullish candle and started another one and finished with bullish candle. So that is how to go about it. So this is another one. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame. It is not possible, or it is not in all cases that it will go all through for 1 hour without having a reverse, but once it is going up in 1 hour, then it will be more of up than down. So that is what I'm trying to pass out to you. Check out here, it broke it down. It broke out downward. You can see it gave us a bearish candle. This is 1 hour. So being here for some time can even give you your daily target at the end of the day. And if you are having enough trading capital, because it is just breaking out, you can be in the market from here to this level. Can you imagine, from here to this level? But if you are not having enough trading capital, you can use this to grow your trading capital gradually. You can use it to grow your trading capital gradually, most especially if you follow the first candle. I've actually explained 2 strategies to you here. You can come in when it is just breaking out. You can see it is just breaking out here, and win within this candle and make some money within this candle. And you can also come in even after it has broken out already. You can see that it has broken out already here. This is where it just broke out from. Let me highlight it so that you get to see. This is where it broke out from. Let's say you missed the breaking out point, but check out here, within this region to this region, this is where this is above. There are candles here that are above this line, which we are using as our guide. There are candles here that are above this line. Okay, the candles are above the line, which means the breakout action is still working around there. The breakout action is still working around there, but how do you put it into use? How do you maximize this period? This is how you can maximize this period. Okay, you can see that we have some of the candles in bullish candle. Most of the candles here will be bullish candle. So you can see, so once you find the bullish candle being formed, you can tap in into that bullish candle. You can tap in here, tap in here, tap in here, tap in here, tap in here. But check out this dark blue candle. They are not fully bullish candle, but they are still bullish candle. You can still tap in there, but you won't be in the market for a very long time. If I were you, I won't even trade on this candle at all. I will only trade on all these green light green candles. So this will give you an opportunity to end the market successfully. These ones are trying to reverse a bit. That is why they are a little bit dark blue. So they are trying to reverse a bit. So that is that about that. So that is how to go about it. So this is a bearish candle, and this is also a bearish candle. This is also a bearish candle, but not fully bearish, but they are all bearish candle. So but these are bullish candles. So you just need to tap in between the bullish candle that is above this line, because you already know the trend of the direction. It broke out here, it broke out here, and it broke out upwards. So all these candles are on uptrend. So that is why you are having bullish candle within those regions. So you can see here that it broke out here too, but it broke out downward. That is why. So what do you need to do? If you miss the breakout action, you can take advantage of the candles that are created under the lines. So all you just need to do is just to follow the one with the bearish candle. That is the one you should go with. So that is how to go with this. That is how you can capitalize on the breakout action and milk the market successfully. So I will be stopping here for now. If you have any question or you need more clarification on today's video, feel free to contact me. Here are my contact details. Send message to me directly and I will reply you as soon as possible. If you need my Telegram channel, probably you want to download some of my free trading tools, or you want to download some of my you want to go through some of my free training, then you can go to my Telegram channel. This is the link to my Telegram channel. I have all this in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription link. For the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you love this video, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Okpeola. God bless you.